you interested in knowing what is in this box? Stick with me and you'll get to see what's inside. So I did order some language arts curriculum, and I was kind of expecting to get that before this. However, ta-da! We got a box from Buffalo, thanks to Mike Bowen and Pasteurized Teas. Watch and see what's inside. Before we begin, just remember to subscribe and hit the bell, and I'll post a new video every Wednesday. I mean, look at all this stuff. What a treat.
Thank you. Thank you.
We love everything. Thank you, Pasteurized Teas and Mike Bowen. I can't wait to stick all my stickers around town so people can see you here in Florida. Buffalo representing here in Florida.
Thank you.